Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. I'll start with the UK FTSE futures. A hammer pattern yesterday with the highest open in recent days and the second highest close as well. However, it seems the market's still wary of not only the all-time high it created last Friday at 72.22, but also wary of the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 72.15, which created that very same high in the first place. All this is and has been in the shadow of September's outside month pattern. There is now also one other developing pattern which may quite possibly add to the strategic implications of this market. We have a possible bow tie formation made up from the short moving average, currently 70.99, short medium moving average, currently 70.88, and the medium moving average, currently 70.59. The crossover was made on the 28th of September, thus we could see a move in the direction of the outgoing moving averages some 15 to 20 sessions afterwards. That is between the 19th to the 26th of October, so basically from last Tuesday until about next Tuesday. Please note this bow tie, like many of them, is not perfect, and we still seem to be waiting to see what move it would be. So far today, no follow-on higher to yesterday's hammer pattern. Instead, a lower opener drop towards this week's low, but no more than that right now. German DAX futures. A second consecutive indecisive spinning top yesterday, and no follow-through low or even really a counter to Monday's bearish double. It seems that the market may still have some residual bullishness about it, despite the somewhat emphatic cap overhead of the combined flatlining short medium moving average, currently 15.583, and the flatlining medium moving average, currently 15.88, 588 I should say. We also have the broken late August to date optimized downtrend, currently at 15.487, with which we've seen one close over and one close right on it. Meanwhile below, well, we really don't have that much support until the lesser Fibonacci level down at 15.389, and possibly the compound Gann number at 15.309. So far today, a lower open and attempted move lower, but lacking enthusiasm, apparently being held up by the Gann number at 15.381, a lesser one. Prices have since reverted back up, and we look like a possible hammer stroke hanging man type pattern today right now. US E-mini S&P futures. A sixth bullish white soldier. We can almost see the market straining higher as it approaches the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 45.40 and the all-time high at 45.49.5. Meanwhile below, we have the old 100% projected Fibonacci line at 4500 and a significant August high at 44.76. Over all of this, please kindly remember that it all still sits in the shadow of September's monthly key reversal down. This obviously has some big strategic implications, and whilst I do not necessarily expect an immediate huge move lower, it's still worth remembering that this action still exists. So far today, well, a slightly lower open and a dip further, but we've not reached yesterday's low as yet, nor even looked at the 100% projected Fibonacci line at 4500 even. French CAC 40 futures. A combined key reversal up and bullish engulfing pattern yesterday. Unusual, as nothing really like this was seen in any of the other stock index futures that I cover. I saw an open below the short medium moving average, currently 66.61, and a dip towards the slowly rising medium moving average, currently 66.19. However, the market shied away from testing the medium moving average support and pushed up over the short medium moving average and the significant June high at 66.87, closing just over it. All the recent action still looks like an attempt to break free higher from the recent possible June to October diamond top or diamond pattern. However, there is still a question as to whether the recent break upwards from the odd-looking June to date possible diamond pattern was indeed a genuine break, or whether it was a false break higher. It still hasn't been truly sorted out. Now, I'd previously placed the downside target X for this diamond pattern, as if it was a diamond top, in the 62.42 area. However, it also was prudent to consider the top side as well. Thus, I've placed initial target X1 for a continuation diamond pattern in the 70.95 area and a secondary target X2 in the 72.75 area. I'll still keep the original target X below on the daily chart for now. So far today, a lower open, below the significant June high, and indeed this June high seems again to be acting as a cap on the market today, though we've also seen very limited moves lower, barely making it below the short medium moving average so far. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.